At Strauss Group, we are guided by our purpose of nourishing a better tomorrow. Every day, we fulfill our mission: better food, better choices, and a better impact. We envision a world where people live long and healthy lives, where people of all backgrounds are embraced, and where we have a positive impact on the environment. We are constantly improving the nutritional value of our products, introducing new products to meet the needs of diverse populations, and expanding our variety of plant-based offerings. With our food tech incubator, The Kitchen, we create innovative, sustainable, and healthier solutions. We are committed to providing high-quality products. This year taught us many lessons about food safety and helped us strengthen our knowledge, infrastructure, and capabilities. Embodying the value of giving back, we work with nonprofit organizations, volunteering, serving, and strengthening the community. We supported our people in Ukraine, providing employees with housing and job security, and delivering humanitarian aid to thousands of refugees. We promote diversity, inclusion, and equal opportunities for our employees, promoting more women to management positions, connecting young and diverse groups of people to Strauss, and breaking stereotypes with diverse populations represented in our marketing. We facilitate programs that support more than 50,000 farmers around the world, improve the welfare of animals in dairy farms, and work to restore bee communities. We're improving our environmental impact in areas such as energy consumption, food waste, packaging, and water. Our water solutions provide clean drinking water to about 800,000 households. We are especially proud of an innovative program we developed with Israel's largest food bank, donating nearly expired products from the retailer to people facing food insecurity. With our impact on the environment, our commitment to sustainability, our passion for nutritious and safe food, and our dedication to people and diversity, Strauss Group is nourishing a better tomorrow.